boys and girls. Today I'm going to do a little experiment that is moth dancing experiment. So first thing I need is mothballs, a glass, water, baking soda, and vinegar. So first thing I'm going to put this water. Then I'm gonna add the vinegar. Add little baking soda in it. Now I'm gonna put the moth. Experiment success. Bye. Have a nice day with your experiment.